In this video, we are making a cosmic brownie no-bake cheesecake. Are you hungry for recipes that won't break the bank or take up your entire day? Look no further, because we've got you covered. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let's get cooking. Our first step, we are going to take one box of cosmic brownies and smash them down in a pie dish. Then we are going to grab our Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake and add some chocolate syrup to it, then combine the chocolate into the cheesecake. After it's combined, we're going to dump it into the base of our dish. After we have our cheesecake in the dish, we are going to add the sundae syrup shell to the top of our cheesecake. Be sure to shake it well before adding it on top. I used the whole bottle. And lastly, to top off this delicious dessert, we decided to add some mini peanut butter M&ms. You can add whatever you like to the top. And just like that, we are done preparing. It's going to go in the fridge for at least 30 minutes for the shell to harden, then it will be time to eat. It's all done and ready to be eaten. Let's try this thing out.
So what is this?
Cosmic brownie cheesecake.
Darn, who don't like cosmic brownies? And that cheesecake, I'm not much of a cheesecake guy, but with the chocolate, it's pretty dang good. And that extra crunch with the M&ms, you gotta try this.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe and go check out our other cooking playlist. Thanks for watching.